Dhugal Lindsay from Japan. What do you do actually in Japan?
I work on deep sea plankton, mostly using submersibles, submarines and robots, concentrating mostly on jellyfishes.
So, what brings you here to Aveiro?
The Deep Sea Biology Symposium, obviously. It's a very good chance to network with people, organize cruises, learn about the most recent developments in deep sea biology.
So, what do you think that is the main knowledge gap in deep sea ecology and sustainable management?
I would say it's the pelagic open water areas, because most of our knowledge on the deep sea, we have almost no knowledge on the deep sea, but what we have is to do with the sea floor and the animals living in the mud or on the rock. All of these animals give pelagic larvae that swim around in the water column, but nobody knows where they go, what they do, anything like this, what eats them, what they eat. Plus 96% of the living volume in the deep sea are the floating animals and the swimming animals, and we know virtually nothing about them.
So what do you think that is the main priority to solve that kind of gap?
A lot of it is technology development, because the deep sea is a very challenging place to work, and we need to have special tools to do the work, and also a concerted effort with specialists all being on the same ship at the same time, working on the same data set, and standardizing the methodology so we're all comparing the same things, not apples and oranges.
So, future perspectives for this kind of research on this subject?
Right now I'm involved in deep sea mineral resources and environmental impact assessments for this, and a lot of what we have to look at is when you dig up the minerals and you affect the animals, the larvae that come there determine whether it will recover or not. And yet everybody is studying the adult animals because they're the ones that are easy to see with the robots and catch with the nets. But we really need to look at what happens to the larvae and look at the life history, do more of the traditional biology instead of just doing the DNA or like counting the big animals.
What are your feedback from this first day of symposium?
Yes, it's been very educational. I'm enjoying not just the orals, but I've been looking at the student posters as well, and there's a lot of very motivated students which I'm looking forward to working with in the future, and anticipating their contribution also to our knowledge of the deep sea.
Thank you very much.